since I have most of the parts ready over here, I'm going to start putting them together. Should be able to do most of it. So yesterday I got some of this paint. This is going to be for the fuel tank because you need special paint that won't dissolve, of course, and also they didn't have the original color, which is something like that, but also some different models they have red color, so I just went with this. Got this high heat black, which can resist temperatures up to 650 degrees Celsius, and that's going to be for the engine. And I got this, which is a gasket, because the engine didn't come with any gaskets, so I just got this. It's basically a type of silicone, and then it turns into a gasket. So I put this in caustic soda, and that dissolved quite a lot of the, not rust, but dirt and grease and grime stuff that standard degreaser won't do. And over here we have cleaned out parts. They look really, really shiny. All they needed was just a scrub. So nothing like today. Aluminium has this type of weird stuff on it over time. So yeah. So it's gonna be painting this, and yeah, that's gonna be it. I've got all the holes and everything that I want masked up. I'm gonna have to hang it and paint. Now it's going to have to dry. It's quite hard to get in between the fins. It's going to require another coat to make it perfect, but as for now, it's a good job. Okay, now I come to a point where I'm shocked. The original colour of the tank is actually red, and someone painted it blue. So I was scrubbing away at it, and then I see red. Oh, it might be, you know, it might be an undercoat. But then I'll keep on scrubbing, and then I see the sticker that says fuel mixing ratios and everything. And then it ends up that someone actually painted this blue themselves. And that makes sense because all the paint here is wrinkled. Doesn't look like professional paint. So I've kind of got a win with buying that red paint. So that's something interesting. This is working, not too bad. And that piston, beautiful. Well, that's one thing done. So I'll put the generator or dynamo on. Put some Loctites on and tested it out the manly way. You know, you put this on here, you touch the engine and then bang, and it has spark. So it's quite a cute little engine. It's all going quite well. Now we're just going to put this on. So again, the silicone, and each of these little bolts get some of this awesome Loctite on them. So, just going to lubricate the piston. Because we're not going to see him again. And the inside. There we go. Now, the important thing, not to break your seals, is kind of got to move them around, and then in one spot you'll see a little thing coming out, and then you got to put, it's going to be hard, over there, and then you got to put this just where that is, because if you don't, you're going to break your seal. So I tried starting up the engine and it did cough like once, twice, but then an unfortunate thing happened. There's like a little pin or something that goes into a groove over here and over here. But now I was pulling it and then I noticed that when I pulled this is spinning, but the engine wasn't. And then when I took this apart, I found this. Got one side broken, and you got the other side in here. So I'm going to have to find a way to get this out, and I'm going to have to find a replacement. We also had the problem with no spark. That was quite easy, just cleaning up the negative, so the negative wasn't getting over to here because these little points weren't clean enough. But that solved, and it nearly started up, if not this. The fuel tank is drying out because I painted it a nice red. This stuff does a really good job. It's a gloss, delicious red. And I've got this other part, the engine mounting bracket, also drying out, so that should be quite good. So the next video will be starting up the engine. Yeah, that's it for part.